Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you a-okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. How your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, which I know some of you are, there's always a special welcome for you over here. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning and you're still here, manners and respect. Now, on today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I'll be sharing with you how to do some crunchy stir-fried string beans or green beans. I have looked at the green beans as opposed to our string bean. And I would say the green beans are a bit different. They are longer and they have a darker green color. So I would say yes. I'm not sure of the taste. I've never tried it. I saw the imported green beans in the supermarket. Okay? So we say string beans in Jamaica. I don't know the texture of them, but the color is that different shade of green. So they were in the bag, so I didn't get to try them to know the texture. Now, I don't know about you, family, but I love me some string beans, stir-fried. But my string beans, they must be crunchy, crispy crunchy, not cook off and saggy. Please, if you're fixing dinner and you're leaving some for me and I saw you do it, no thank you. So I'm going to be sharing with you today. Now you have got to get yourself some select ones. I don't want you to go selecting ones like these that when you open it, you are seeing the peas them inside of it. No, those are like too chewy to do the stir fry. I'm also going to show you another way how you can do it. End up with the broth, the vegetable broth from it, how we are going to treat it. Okay, we are stir frying these. Now, if you're a diabetic, you must be involving a lot of these in your diet. Okay? Now, so these are the ones that you choose. So, when you choose them and they're young, the younger, the better. When you nip off this at the top here, you're not supposed to find anything stripping at the side. Once you find anything stripping at the side, you know them past a certain age. So they're going to be more chewy. You can have them also, but for stir fry, they would not be the ideal, they would not be ideal for stir fry at that stage. So when they're as young as this, these are perfect. These are to perfection. You just want to take off the little top and the little bottom. Okay? So when you here, you don't have this long strip coming. I'll get some like that and I'll show you how I prepare that. But today we're doing crunchy stir-fried string beans. I don't know about the green beans. You can tell me about your green beans if you do it that way in the comment section. Now that you have done that, and all of that, I'm going to be going off camera to wash it inside my colander. And I know me, I got through my little water crisis. And even if I had running water in my pipe, I would still be putting it and washing it through the colander. So nothing will be left, no residue. Remember, these things grow on a vine. Okay, and they grow low, they're not high, so you got to wash them properly. I'm gonna go now, wash them, come back and show you how we'll proceed. Must soon come. So family, I've gone ahead and I've washed my beans. This is a pound, and you don't want to be doing more than a pound to a pound and a half the most at any given time. If you're doing for a large number of people, do it in batches. Right on over here, I am using a wide skillet, real thick bottom, and all of that. I'm preheating it on medium, but as I go along, or as I start to stir fry my bean, I've got to get my heat up. I am using here some sunflower and a little extra virgin olive oil together. You want to throw not too much, and then you don't want to throw too little, and I think that is okay, and all of that. Okay, so I'm not sure, maybe because we want the beans to absorb some of this oil, we'll be stir frying it, and I'm still looking. Maybe I could take out a spoonful. Let me go take out a little, family, and come back. So family, I've taken out about half. I thought I had gone too much. You know, so if whilst we are going, and if we need some more, we can just, you know, add a little bit more. What you want to do, whether you're using a kitchen towel or whatever, you want to get these beans properly dried. We don't want no water business in them. We're not going to steam them. We're going to stir fry them. So we want them to put in there dry so they maintain the crunch. So you want to dry. As you go along, you flip over and make sure you have them all dried, properly dry. You know, one of them are going in there with this whole water business. You see what I'm saying? Okay. Now, our heat is there. We're going to bring up the flame a little. I'm going to be using a little chopped garlic. You could have probably chopped it a little finer. I'm going to be using this here. It says sweet ginger garlic. Sweet ginger and garlic. But also I'm going to be putting a little fresh garlic. If you want to use garlic powder, you could too. Depends on you. I'm going to be using a little salt. And maybe I can use a little crushed red pepper flakes to just give it a little kick. That's all I'll be using. I don't want to overpower them. So let us fill our pan here. It's reasonably hot. So we are going to go up a bit. We are going to be stir frying them. You are not going to put in this garlic first because you don't want it burn. I'll show you. You could also use a little bit of a chopped onion. You don't want to go too much. You saw me I say because you don't want to eliminate the taste of the nice fresh beans. This is filling enough to have it as a staple with your meat and also as a vegetable. It is enough. So let us see. We're going to put it inside our pan there. And we're going to get our heat up. Remember, we are stir frying, and that is why I say try to get them as dry as possible. Get your heat up to the ice because you want to keep them being fried off. These are young, really young. The bottom of the skillet is heavy. Therefore, you won't be in here more than about 4 to 5 minutes doing this. Camera girl is shooting them up, and as I stir and turn over, you'll see that I'm getting a brighter green coming up. Also, you realize that I'm having a little extra liquid, so you get your heat up the ice you can. Maybe I didn't dry properly, I don't know. So the driest you can. So you want to stir fry them around. Stir fry them around for another 2 minutes. I'm going to go do just that. And when I return, I'll show you. This is so easy. This is so nice. And I want you to tell me how you do your green beans. Have you ever done it this way? And as I go along, you see there is a different shade of green coming out. We're going to stir fry for about 3 minutes. And then when we return at the end of the last minute, we'll be adding all of these little stuff to it. Therefore, we will still get the flavor because they're young. They will be almost cooked. The skins are delicate. They will absorb whatever oil, the condiments that we're using. Crispy, crunchy. Go to the kitchen. How they do, please? Crispy or crunchy, stir-fried string beans. Do not overcrowd your pot. It will build too much liquid and we don't want that. We are back, family, and this is how they look. Now you're going to say, Debbie, how you know when they are ready? As any good cook would, you want to taste your beans. Don't turn your flame down, continue stirring. Eating and stirring, riding and whistling. Family, if we are trying to put healthy, you don't even have to put salt. The very first thing we want to put now is our garlic. Okay? It's going to be hard to burn because the bottom there has a little extra liquid. So it's going to be really hard to burn. Remember, at this point, your heat must be high. Also, you're going to put your little sweet, I'm going to put my little sweet ginger garlic. Not a lot, we don't want overpower it because the thing is so nice. Okay, the ice flame. Now, put your little salt at the end. Don't put too much, depending on your salt intake. I don't want to put salt to know that long time. Okay, now, red pepper flakes or whatever you want. This is just for a little extra gig and a little spice. Okay? Use some oil that adds a little flavor and all of that. And our garlic, whenever that stir good. Right off. And this is ready to be plated. This is ready, family. You see what I'm talking? You had this one here, it got caught. This is ready to be plated. I'm just gonna go now, scrape it out in your plate. I'm just gonna return. And then I'm gonna present to you. Crunchy. You're ready. You don't leave it in the bottom of this. It will become soggy because the bottom of this thing, it is really thick and it will develop some liquid. Must soon come. Now family, we are back. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is crunchy, stir-fried string beans done my way. Okay, now if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey. All of you are following me on Instagram. If you have seen my latest Instagram story, you will know what I want. Tell me what I want. If you're not there, go check it out. Something is going on. Something I want in on. Okay? Now, this is so easy as long as you select the right green beans. Okay? I would love for somebody that comes to look for me. I would love for somebody to prepare this for me. I love my green beans. And this is the way how I like it. Tell me how you like your green beans in the comment section. This is the most, I would just have this family with just nothing. That is how much I love them. But if you cook them too much and then lose them color and get soft and saggy, no thank you. Okay? Remember to thumbs up the videos. Make sure you subscribe when you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And when you hit the bell, that is how you'll be notified. When you hit the bell and you get a video, see a video go up. And if you're in the first, second, or third, then your name will run across the screen as a post notification person. That is how you become a that is how you become a post notification crew member or what have you. Okay? We have our Cash App, we have our Zelle, we got everything. We'll be quiet, we are going to be trying to go live before this week is out. I want to discuss some little stuff with you, but I prefer to do it on the live, getting the feedback and stuff like that. You know, I'm still having my water problems, but maybe the rains are falling a little now. We got some today, so it might just soon ease. Pray for me. That is why you haven't seen me. I can't post the videos when I haven't got enough water. I've got to do the thing the right way. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Debbie from Dongayal, bless. No stress.